Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? This your boy LSRY254, man, and you tuned in for another one. This video right here, man, we're gonna be upgrading our lights right up here. Let me show you. I found a solution, and I want to share it with you. As you know, we do have these other lights here, like that one, like that. Go ahead and get it popping right there. Got another one over there, but usually back over here in the corner, as you can see, very dimly lit, not that much light. So I'm gonna show you this product that I picked up, not sponsored, but I figured it would, you know, help myself as well as anybody else that may be looking for a garage lighting solution that, you know, you don't have to, you just pretty much screw it in. So let me show you what we got. Walk over here. Alright, so I'm going to do pretty much all this in the lighting that's provided, and then I'm going to show you the difference between the two. So what we have here is a garage LED light made by Beyond Bright, the ultra bright garage light. Now I hadn't seen it. It says it's seen on TV, but I hadn't seen it on TV. You know, to watch TV like that. However, I figured I'd give it a shot. I think it was like 29 bucks. Great for garage. It added basements. So screws into the light socket. Has an on-off switch on it. You see there before and after, but I'm gonna show you the one that I got. So 3,500 lumens, ultra bright, lasts 30 plus years, advanced LED technology, energy efficient, uses only 40 watts, and then you can position, you know, the lights how you want to. So says it has 96 ultra bright LEDs, 32 in each panel, and adjustable plate. So what I'm gonna have to do, climb up the ladder, take this down, and then put the new one up there, and then I'll show you the difference. Alright, so for this demonstration, I only did one side. Try to show you the difference. So if you stand back over here, you can see how that side is lit versus this side, how it's lit. Now the only issue that I did run into over here, if you want to call it an issue, is because that it's kind of hard to see. Let me climb up here and show you. It's bright. Let's see. It's got an on-off switch still, but you can't see shit now. But yeah, as you can see, because the socket came out sideways versus just straight down, so this light is kind of angled this way. But like I said, you have the ability to like angle the heads how you want them. I mean, that'll give us some more light over here if we're looking for something, etc. I mean, you can tell the difference. A lot more light looking down on the cutlass. A lot more light. Not too shabby. Like I said, probably the only disadvantage is that it is at an angle, but I mean, we do have all these other lights to add to that light, so I mean, with all those lights on, I mean, pretty much pretty much got full coverage on this end without a light, so I think we're good on that. So now I'm gonna change up the second one. Walk it back up over here so you have to see the full picture, full view. And you can see the difference one more time. Like I said, it's hot. I mean, that fan blowing in the background, you know that. So let me get this other one down, swapped out, and I'll show you how it is all lit up. Alright, so when you first get the box, of course, tear the little sticker off. Boom. That comes down like that. Comes with thank you for choosing Beyond Light. Tell us what you think. As a thank you, we'd like to offer you 20% off your next purchase. Do a little survey and you're good. As far as installation, you install it just like a regular light bulb. You adjust it how you want it, and then put the on and off switch into the on position. So. And this is the unit right here. Like I said, you adjust how you want it. Boom, boom, boom. And like I said, based off of how your socket sits, you may run into an issue, may or may not. If it's straight down, it's gonna be, you know, like that. Yeah, like that. But because mine's sitting at an angle, it's kind of wobbly. So. Let me get the second one installed. Yeah, get the second one installed and then I'll show you the whole garage. I didn't show the first one, so I want to show this one. Alright, so part 2. Got both of the lights replaced. Put it on, turn it on, so you can see the difference. I mean, as you can see, I mean, that's pretty damn decent, man. Just for those two. I mean, they are more kind of pointed this way, which, I mean, that's more where you need the light anyway. And then we'll go through and we'll turn on the rest of the lights so you get an idea. That light on, turn that light on. Turn this light on, and then we can turn this light on. So, I mean, after it's all said and done, I mean, it's pretty well lit. It's pretty well lit, if I do say so myself. Except for back over there in the corner, but I mean, you know, like back there. But it was pretty well lit. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it's, you know, it's a good buy. I mean, they're really bright. Like, they probably shine bright for me, to be honest. Now, you know, they got light coverage pretty much everywhere in the garage. Like I said, except for that spot, and then I'm in the TV over here. Don't really need no light going off of there. So y'all let me know down in the comments. It's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. I'm So y'all turn those off. Just let you see the difference. So yeah, it's kind of more dimly lit, more on the back side. I mean, it's not bad like this, but to have even more light is even better. Like I said, y'all let me know down in the comments. These came from the Home Depot. Like I said, they were about $29.99 each. Use your military discount, get a discount, you know what I'm saying, a couple dollars off, $2 or $3, and go from there. So, alright y'all, we out.